Hello and welcome to Novela Film Academy. At Novela Film Academy, our mission is to guide the next generation of storytellers through the evolving world of digital media. What if you could bring your imagination to life just by typing a sentence? That's no longer science fiction. That's the power of Google's Veo 3.1, the next big leap in AI filmmaking. What is Veo 3.1? Veo 3.1 is Google's newest text-to-video model, designed to transform simple text prompts into cinematic, realistic, and emotionally engaging video scenes. It builds on the success of Veo 3, but this version, it's much more than an upgrade. We're talking about synchronized audio.
Command, team is on the ground, moving to secure the objective.
Expressive character motion and smoother narrative flow, the three core pillars of storytelling in film. For the first time, Veo 3.1 supports both landscape in 16:9 and portrait in 9:16 aspect ratios, meaning you can create content for YouTube, Instagram Reels, TikTok, or even cinematic short films, all within one ecosystem. This model isn't just about visuals. It's about bringing words to life, about crafting complete stories that feel coherent, expressive, and emotionally grounded. The creator connection, Higgsfield's vision. Now, this new era of creative AI isn't happening in isolation. One of the fastest growing Gen AI companies, Higgsfield, is partnering in this space with a clear mission to be the most creator-friendly platform in the world. This campaign spotlights Veo 3.1, and here's what makes it special. With Veo 3.1, creators can make the most realistic talking videos with improved sound quality, create long and complex scenes with unmatched consistency and quality. It's designed to empower filmmakers, storytellers, and content creators, not replace them. Think of it as an assistant that brings your vision to life, exactly the way you imagined it, and introduces a scene builder, allowing you to plan your video shot by shot inside the AI. You can storyboard your entire film before pressing Generate. That means full creative control, just like a director on set. Second, character consistency. Remember how AI-generated faces used to morph or shift between cuts? That's history. With Veo 3.1, your main characters remain consistent. Their faces, expressions, and actions stay locked throughout the video. It's like having digital actors who actually know their roles. Third, native 1080p output. The visuals absolutely stunning. You can expect sharper details, smoother motion, and a cinematic polish that makes your videos look professionally produced. Veo 3.1 is aiming for that Hollywood-grade visual fidelity right out of the box. Fourth, multi-prompting for multi-shot scenes. This is another massive leap. Previously, you could only generate one short clip per prompt. Now you can link multiple prompts together, crafting full sequences and cohesive stories. It's no longer just one moment at a time. It's full storytelling through AI. Fifth, extended duration. And here's a big rumour. Videos might now reach up to 1 minute long. That's a major step forward from the shorter clips we've seen in past versions. Imagine being able to create an entire short film in a single generation. Sixth, enhanced prompt understanding. The AI now reads your text better than ever before. You'll see fewer glitches, smoother transitions, and a much more natural flow of movement and emotion. Style, flexibility, and realism. Veo 3.1 isn't limited to one visual aesthetic. It's been trained on photos, illustrations, and even cartoons, meaning you can mix and match styles. You want a hyper-realistic cinematic look? Done. Prefer an anime-inspired sequence? Easy. If you're passionate about filmmaking, storytelling, or the future of creative AI, make sure to click the Join button below this video to unlock members-only tutorials, plus badges, early access, shoutouts, priority support, and exclusive resources. Scan this QR code to connect with Novela Film Academy. Learn video editing, graphic design, and professional editing services. And that's it. Let us know what you'd like to see next by dropping your suggestions in the comments below. Subscribe to Novela Film Academy for more videos like this.